Good morning, students. How are you? Welcome back to our English class. So, today we are going to start with the next lesson in Unit 1 from our English textbook, that is Soham's Ball. Lesson number 9, Soham's Ball. Okay, so ready to listen to the lesson? Okay, so this boy, his name is Soham, and this is his friend, his name is Sam. And what is this? What are they doing? They are playing football. Can you see the black colored football over here? Yes, so he's Soham, he's Sam, and this is a football. Okay, chalo. Now read this. Soham and Sam, repeat after me. Soham and Sam are playing football. Sam kicks the ball. Okay, so what is Sam doing? He is kicking the ball. So repeat after me. Sam kicks the ball. And it goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Did you see? It went here. Where did it go? This is Mr. Mane's garden. Okay. So now who is this? He is Mr. Mane. And what is there in his hand? It is the football. Okay, now Sam goes to Mr. Mane and he asks him for the ball. So repeat after me. Sam asks for the ball. Sam asks for the ball. Very good. How did he ask? See this. Sam said, "Excuse me." Repeat after me. "Excuse me. May I have the ball, please?" Repeat again. "May I have the ball, please?" Mr. Mane. Then what does Mr. Mane say? "Sure, here it is." Okay. So, what happened? Sam kicked the ball. It went to Mr. Mane's garden. And then Sam went to Mr. Mane and he requested him, "May I have the ball, please?" So, what did Mr. Mane say? "Sure, here it is." He gave the ball to Sam. Okay. And they started playing again. Who were playing? Sam and Soham both were playing with the ball. After some time, again the ball goes into Mr. Mane's garden. Okay, so while they're playing, what happened? Again the ball went to Mr. Mane's garden. And Mr. Mane came out with the ball again. And now Soham went to ask for the ball. Earlier, who had gone? Sam had gone. Now Soham went to Mr. Mane and he asked for the ball. Okay, here Soham has come. "Give me the ball." How did he say? "Give me the ball." So Mr. Mane did not like the way he spoke with him. So what did he say? "No, I won't." ठीक है, सैम ने कैसे बोला था? "प्लीज मुझे बॉल वापस दे दीजिए, प्लीज गिव मी द बॉल." ही सेड प्लीज. ओके, बट सैम ने प्लीज बोला, सोहम ने प्लीज बोला क्या? नहीं, उसने प्लीज नहीं बोला, उसने बोला प्लीज गिव मी द बॉल. हाँ, ऐसे बड़ों से ऐसे बात करते हैं? नो, वी डोंट टॉक लाइक दिस विथ आवर एल्डर्स, और वी डोंट टॉक रूडली विथ एनीबडी. ओके, सो मिस्टर मानी वॉज वेरी एंग्री. व्हाट डिड ही से? उन्हें बहुत गुस्सा आया. उन्होंने बोला, नहीं, मैं नहीं दूंगा. नो, आई वोंट. ओके, लेट्स सी देन व्हाट हैपेंड. वाई डज मिस्टर माने से नो? वॉट डू यू थिंक? आपको क्या लगता है कि मिस्टर माने ने ना क्यों बोला उनको? सोहम को मना क्यों किया? Why didn't he give the ball to Soham? Think about it. Okay. And how is Soham feeling? और जब अभी मिस्टर माने ने उसको बॉल वापस नहीं दिया तो सोहम को क्या लग रहा है? हाउ इज सोहम फीलिंग? थिंक. एंड हाउ इज मिस्टर माने फीलिंग? सो मिस्टर माने को भी क्या लग रहा है? ये सब आपको सोचना है. ओके, लेट्स सी. सोहम ट्राइज अगेन. उसे पता चलता है कि देर इज सम प्रॉब्लम. सोहम comes to know there is some problem. So he tries again. What does he do? Uncle, may I have the ball please? कैसे बोला उन्होंने? सोहम ने कैसे बोला अंकल को? अंकल, may I have the ball please? So now how does Mr. Mane feel? अभी जब उसने रिक्वेस्ट किया सोहम ने, so अभी मिस्टर माने को कैसा लग रहा होगा? He must have felt good, no? So Mr. Mane gives the ball to Soham and Soham says, "Thank you." Okay, so do you know there were some magic words in the story? See, we'll review the story again. What had happened? Soham and Sam were playing football. Okay, so the football went into Mr. Mane's garden. ठीक है, फुटबॉल मिस्टर माने के गार्डन में चला गया. तो मिस्टर माने जब फुटबॉल लेके आए तो सैम, हाउ डिड सैम आस्क फॉर द बॉल? उसने क्या कहा? प्लीज गिव मी द बॉल. उसने कौन सा वर्ड यूज किया? प्लीज बोला. एंड फिर मिस्टर माने, ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी ही व्हेन ही रिक्वेस्टेड, तो उसको बॉल वापस कर दिया. एंड देन व्हाट डिड सैम से? थैंक यू. है ना? देन next time when the ball went into the garden and Mr. Manik came out with the ball, so Soham, did he say please? No, he did not say please. He was rude. He said, give me the ball. हाँ, अच्छे से बात नहीं किया, प्लीज नहीं बोला, रिक्वेस्ट नहीं किया. सो मिस्टर माने को बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. सो डिड ही गिव द बॉल? नो, ही डिड नॉट गिव द बॉल. उसने मना कर दिया कि अभी मैं बॉल नहीं दूंगा. फिर सोहम को बहुत बुरा लगा. सोहम फेल्ट वेरी बैड कि ही डिड नॉट गेट द बॉल बैक. एंड मिस्टर माने वॉज वेरी एंग्री. ही डिड नॉट लाइक द वे सोहम इज आस्किंग फॉर द बॉल. ओके, तो सोहम ने फिर से अपना वर्ड्स चेंज किया. एंड फिर उसने क्या बोला? अंकल, प्लीज गिव मी द बॉल. जब उसने प्लीज यूज किया तो हाउ डिड मिस्टर माने फील? ही वॉज फीलिंग नाइस. हाँ, उन्हें भी अच्छा लगा कि यस इज टॉकिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू मी. ओके, सो ही गेव द बॉल. Okay, now Soham is also very happy. He felt very nice that he got his ball back. Okay, and he said thank you also. So there were some magic words, no? जब वो magic words सोहम ने यूज किए तभी मिस्टर माने को अच्छा लगा. And then he returned the ball to Sam and Soham. So what were the magic words? Magic words are those words which help you be very respectful to the others. Okay, so we'll just discuss this in detail. Suppose if you want a pencil from somebody in the school, if you have not brought the pencil, if you say, can you give me a pencil? And your friend here, he says, sure, here it is. Then what will happen? What will you say? Once you have received the pencil, you will say, thank you. So thank you is the magic word. And what will your friend say? Welcome. Is it not? Okay, now if you sneeze by mistake, then what will happen? What will you say? Excuse me. Okay, what will you say? Excuse me. And suppose if you hit your leg on somebody else's leg, then what will you say? I'm sorry. The other person will have to say it's okay. By mistake it happens, no, sometimes. So it's okay. So this was your lesson. Your home assignment is you have to read the lesson Find the magic words and write them in your notebook. The magic words were what? Please, thank you. Okay, so these were the magic words in your lesson. Were there anything else? Were there more magic words? Do you remember? Think about it. Do you remember any more magic words? Mm, yes, excuse me. Okay, then welcome, sorry, all these are magic words. Okay, you can use them and you will be a very courteous person. Okay, polite person. Okay, so you have to use magic words. You find out the magic words and write them in your notebook. Okay, from the lesson as well as from outside also. Okay, you will do it, no? And reading is very important. You have to practice reading the lesson. Okay, so very good. You practice the lesson and we'll meet next time. Chalo. Bye. See you.